Alright, what's going on, y'all? You know what I'm saying? We got a good video coming today. Your boy copped him some truhart coilovers. Yes, sir. We finna get the Prelude low. You know what I'm saying? I'm at my boy Cason's house. So he finna come help me put these on, and then the homie Jonathan, he finna pull up too. So we'll get this video started. Alright, we just pulled up to the homie Cason's house, and I'm finna show y'all these coilovers real quick. Here, one of them go right here. Yeah. That boy Jonathan just showed up. Yeah, he got
today we're gonna show you how to do coilovers on this 01 Prelude. 01 Prelude.
Show you? I'm trying to get this done. We're on a time crunch. You got that boy Casey working already.
We're gonna finish before I clock into work today.
He gotta go work at 12. I gotta go work at 2, but Cason's off. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we got 3 hours to do this. It's possible.
You got my car, Johnny's car, both the Cason's car, then his stepdad's. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we finna get this started right now. Stupid lug wouldn't come up already. We just started. Shoot, no, it's too early. I ain't gonna lie. You gotta get your back straight, poke it out.
Dude, you can that whole bag in it. Yeah, the other ones are good.
Oh.
I already checked the other ones.
How you do it? There's a bolt under there. Just shut up, man.
You got a 17, right?
It's a 17 that you gotta take off.
Like,
there's a pin right here that you gotta pull.
I was expecting it to be tight.
And you gotta pull it out. Wanna go ahead and pull that bolt. It's also a 17 after you get that pin out.
Alright, so you gotta loosen these 3 14mm nuts.
Alright,
let's start this.
Yeah, get this off for the 14 mil. Just loosen it up so it doesn't fall. Keep that tight so it doesn't fall on you. Yes, sir.
Done already. It only took like 30 minutes.
I gotta bolt everything back up, and then
Actually, really
the front will be done. Make sure you get the toothbrush, the wire brush, you know what I'm saying? Deep clean outside, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Scrub it real good until get all that rust out, you know, that good stuff. But yeah. What you doing now? Tighten everything back up. Gotta have the jack to keep it sturdy.
Jack it up a little more. If it's not a good video, we can get a new one after we readjust it.
Alright, we got the fronts done.
Ready?
Yeah. See how the front looks.
Ew.
Mm.
Can I pull the jack out?
Dang, my boy Jonathan gotta go to work, huh? Y'all go hit him up at O'Reilly's. Yeah. For the rears, you gotta take off a bolt right here. So it's also a 17 mil.
I guess we should try it.
Alright. We have to unbolt that and everything and bolt everything back up now. Alright, y'all, it's been a few hours since that last clip. I had to go to work, so my boy Cason came in clutch, you know what I'm saying? He was like, take my car and I'll finish it for you, so I'm finna go pick my car up right now, and yeah. Alright, y'all, it's a whole new day. Well, it's been a few days actually. We had put the coilovers on, and then all of us got busy, so I haven't been to the ride height that I wanted it, and we just let it break in for right now. We broke the coilovers in and stuff, and now me and my boy Jonathan, we finna adjust it to how I want it now, and yeah, I'm gonna show y'all when we get to it. I know I need a haircut, so I've been wearing a hat in my video, my last one, but yeah, I'm putting that boy Jonathan to work. Yeah. We're gonna start with the rears first and then move our way to the front. Yes, sir. Already dirty. Yes, sir. We just finished the rears. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then that boy Jonathan dropped the load. And some back roads. I gotta finish now. Yes, sir. Thank you for the help. Just took it on a little test drive, so. Sheesh. My boy Chase put up in his Focus. Yes, sir. He just recently got his coilovers on too.
Look at that.
You trying to give me a little
Finger in there,
a little
man.
rev? Whoa. Trying to give me a little rev? Let me hear it. Straight? Yes, sir. Yeah, his car is crazy. Real crazy. I love it. You can still hear it, bro, but like, yeah. Probably gonna end up this video now, and yeah.